Hello, once again, it's your senior counselor back on your screen again. Today we are going to talk about 5 reasons why the youth take aphrodisiac. There are a lot of numerous research now going on talking about the impotence of most of the youth below 25 years. Can you imagine in the olden days, you can see that those people who are impotent are men after 50 years, 60 years, and 70 years. But a lot of research going on in most of government hospitals and then private hospitals, it shows that our way of life, the food we eat, the way we do our things, has contributed to a major change in most of the youths and then most of our dear brothers and then our dear sisters, and which has enabled them not to have the sexual impotency, to have the sexual potency to perform much better in bed. So because of this, now the youth used to continue to take aphrodisiac so that they can have that opportunity to continue to do their power if in case they meet their loved one. Because of all these things, you could see that they have been taking different types of aphrodisiac. They continue to buy different type of herbal medicine, different type of this foreign medicine, so that they can have that mighty, or they can have that power, they can have that energy to enrich or to enhance their sexual satisfaction. The second one is media influence. Nowadays, if you own your TV or radio, there are numerous of advert, manpower medicine, bitters, this herbal medicine, the natural one, and then even the foreign one. Because of this sexual enhancement medicine in this media sector, this also contribute much on these young ones coming, because he could see that if I cannot perform, because this particular radio station, this particular TV station is making advert on this particular medicine, meaning that medicine is creditable, or that medicine is more powerful, because that media, a lot of people cherish that particular medium. That medium, a lot of people admire that particular media, because their things are genuine. So at the moment they could see some of the advert, especially alcoholic, most of alcoholic bitters on radio and TV. At the moment you get to know that a lot of people, or people are making adverts towards this particular medicine or this particular bitters, because of the influence or the credibility of that particular media, you could see that most of the youth will rush and quickly they will get into that particular medication and then start taking it. So because of the influence of that particular media or the media landscape, a lot of youth are going for this aphrodisiac, and then so that it can even enrich their sexual desire. The third one is the peer pressure. You could see that in our Ghanaian proverbs, I say chiro nyonko na menye den minchiro suban. Yes, show me your friends so that I can show you the character within me. That is the proverbs in Ghanaian context. You see, there are a lot of bad friends in a system which they always exploit so many things. Yeah, Kwaku, yesterday I went and took this particular lady, and the way I hammer am, the way I give it to her, the way even I knock her, meaning quickly, if Kofi or Kwame is going for another woman, or going to exploit in a different type of different ladies, quickly Kwame, who is a friend to Kofi, will quickly tell you, oh Charlie, last time the way I knocked this lady is the help of this particular medicine. That is the reason why I was able to knock that lady very, very well. So you see the influence or the peer influence or the peer pressure from your friend. Quickly you can even go for that particular medicine. So some of their friends always contribute or put pressure. Kofi, you see, immediately you take even a lady, quickly the lady divorce you or you have even separation with. Can't you even knock? Kofi, you are too weak. Kofi, this lady, you just let her go like this. I don't understand at all. Charlie, Kofi, if you get them, knock them, knock them. You can go for this and you can go for this type of medicine. And because of this peer influence from your friend or peer influence from your bottom or your bosom friend, you can quickly go for this type of medication there. Yeah, let's go to the next one. To increase libidoral level of every human being. You see, there are sometimes, because of so many thinking, so many problems we have in our system, you could see that sometimes even in bed, that libido, that taste for even lady becomes even very, very crucial for some men to perform in bed. But this type of aphrodisiac, some of them will make sure that that libidoral level of every human being will come automatically. That is the reason why you could see that most of men and then most of women will go for this type of aphrodisiac, so that the feeling in every human, he or she, can even get those power out of it. Let's go to the last one. The last one is the boosting of confidence. Boosting of confidence. You see, there are a lot of men who cannot even say I love you to even women. Yes, most of men cannot say even I love you to even women. And if you are a man and you cannot say even I love you, then you are not even a man. And through this aphrodisiac, you can get that energy, because giving that aphrodisiac to even lady or to even a man, even that man or that lady will get that the desire of that sex that can even push the lady towards you, whether the lady understood it or that does not even understood it. Because of something is even pressing her within her, quickly that lady will even run to you, so that you can even have your access within that particular lady. You can call senior counselor on +233 54 38 70 990. That is the screen. Yes, that is the number on the screen. That number is WhatsApp, and you can even call me on phone in. Yes, let me mention the number again. +233 54 38 70 990. You can call senior counselor at any time and any given time. Senior counselor will arrange your schedule on your counseling platform. Yes, I do all counseling, all type of counseling. We are a team of counselors. Yes, we are a team of counselors. Some are professors, some are doctors. Yes, come to us and then we can assist you in so many things. Yes, we are a team of counselors. Yes, who can assist you in all type of counseling. See you again. That is my number, 054 38 70 990. That is my Ghanaian number. But if you are calling me from outside Ghana, +233 54 38 70 990. See you another time. Senior counselor will come back to your screen again with another wonderful video. See you another time. Bye bye.